The Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission wants to know if alcohol from an Austin bar contributed to a deadly crash on I-35 in Round Rock.
Yeah, police say there is video of that three-vehicle crash that killed 3 people early Sunday morning. Court records obtained by KVUE News today show the driver charged was drunk and under the influence of marijuana.
Adam Bennett has been digging into these documents today. And Adam, police also described how the driver was after the crash.
Quita and Ashley, they described Kearra Thomas as having bloodshot, watery eyes, swaying, and indifferent. Round Rock police say that Thomas didn't believe she had anything to do with the crash. And in court documents, an officer says when asked how she felt, Thomas replied, quote, "I don't know. I've seen things I've never seen before. I'm not really sure how to feel. I'm just thankful to be alive." Now, according to court documents, Thomas and her boyfriend were at Bombshells on I-35 near Wells Branch Parkway. They reportedly paid a nearly $110 tab just before 2 a.m. It's about 20 minutes before officers responded to that crash. Police say Thomas told officers they were heading home to Temple when a car in front of them suddenly stopped in the main lanes. Thomas reportedly told officers she swerved and then crashed into a silver car that was already on its roof. They say she also struck and killed 49-year-old Maximo Ramirez from Greenville, who had stopped to help people in that rollover crash. Police say Thomas failed a field sobriety test and blew a .103 on a breathalyzer. That is over the legal limit of .08. Thomas is now charged with manslaughter for Ramirez's death. At last check, she is in the Williamson County Jail being held on a $300,000 bond. Records show she has requested a court-appointed lawyer. She is due back in court August the 20th. Now, the other victims are 38-year-old Augustine Guillen from Georgetown and 21-year-old Quinn Stiegel from Round Rock. Thomas has not been charged with their deaths. It's not clear if those 2 victims died in that previous crash or as a result of the crash with Thomas. Today, Round Rock police put out a call, though, for tips from anyone who saw the crash or saw anything unusual.